About 3D printing? 3D printing didn't exist when I was a kid. So that's really a new technology. I think it's evolving very fast. That's for sure. It's a very challenging industry. And I mean, as a business, we need to work with the leaders, and I think Prodways is one of those. I mean, we as a company believe that the Prodways service is really tremendous for us. We have always been very happy about it. All the team has always been very supportive, and this is definitely something that Prodways has been very good at for us over the last years. If it's remote, if it's working on site, Prodways has always been with us. I mean, Prodways is helping us in many different ways. The first one, they are listening to our needs when it comes to the main application we are doing with the machine, meaning models. So we have been up very early stages with Prodways about identifying what the throughput we needed from the machines, which material we need to use. So I think those two things are the most important. Oh yeah, we could definitely recommend anybody who is using very high volume 3D printing. I think Prodways is the way to go, definitely. We believe that the material are definitely going to be the key factor in the 3D industry. I'm a big believer in the machine is going to adapt to whatever we have to print, but there is a tremendous work to be done in the dental fields on the different materials. Oh, the booth is really cool. What I like the most is the people on the booth, honestly, because I think it's a great team.